We have a 6500A printer from HP, Officejet series, and it's telling me that the printer is out of paper. Load paper into the printer. There is paper in there. Here's the paper tray. I removed the output tray. When I hit OK, go down here, and this is the pickup roller right there. Right there. So if you have the same problem, there's two things. Either those gears are not really spinning. I'm gonna hit OK. Those rubber wheels right there, they're either not spinning, which in this case, that's what it's doing. The gears are broken of the mechanism that's going down and tries to spin those wheels to pick up the paper. So that could be the issue. Also, this is going to be really hard to repair. Basically, you need to just open everything up and take everything out of the printer, all the internal parts in order to get to that part. And it's going to be a very difficult task, which in my case, I usually do not repair that. Another thing, if it spins, but there's a lot of paper dust accumulated on it, you can always do, you can always clean those. If you have either Windex or any cleaning solution, you can try that. The best thing to do is to get some of the alcohol swabs. I use these a lot in my videos and my repairs. A box of 100 of these is about $2. So I'm going to remove the paper, and I'm just going to show you how I do it. This printer I'm just using as a guide. Like I said, the gears on that pickup roller are broken, so I'm not going to repair that. But I'll show you how to clean. If yours are spinning, your printer's wheels are spinning on the inside, but they're just like, they're not taking every sheet of paper. They may take maybe one out of every so many pages, but so basically what I do is I hit OK, and then have my, here it's a little bit harder to show. I put the pad or the cleaning swab under the wheel, and then I press OK on the screen in order for the wheels to start spinning and just cleaning. As it spins, it's going to clean itself. I'll do that a couple times and then move to the other wheel. There's two on this particular printer. You can attach this to a business card or some piece of paper, like staple it to it, and just do it that way. And it'll just clean it like so. Here, kind of like that. When you have it attached and you're holding it like from here, and it'll just clean the wheels. Then after you're done doing that, let it dry for a minute or two. Then put paper in, and your problem should be resolved. Another thing that you might want to check is on the back of the printer. There's some tabs on the wall that the paper slides on. Make sure those are in place. Sometimes those knock out, especially the one on the right. Then if you have a problem with paper picking up on the ADF, the document feeder, it's very simple to fix that. You just open this ADF unit. The wheels are right here that pick up the paper. There's gears and everything. And this one accumulated some paper dust on it, or just dirt. You can clean that and also let it dry for a minute or two and then close it. Make sure you close it all the way. Sometimes like one side will snap and the other won't. And then you put your paper in and it should pick it up, and you can continue on printing. So that's basic things on these for paper pickup problems or out of paper problem when you know there's paper in the tray. if we were able to guide you in this video, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and share this with anyone who needs help with their printer. Have a great day. Thank you.